Hello guys, welcome to Daily Current Affairs series. Today we will discuss about 14th October current affairs. Myself Sunny Sandeep. Welcome to our channel Gear Up for Group 1 exam. Let us discuss the today's important current affairs. The first one. Recently we have seen that there is different categories got the Nobel prizes. That is in physiology, physics, medicine. We have seen that different types of categories regarding Nobel Prize. Now today we will see the Nobel Prize in economics. Here P. Milgram and Robert Wilson were chosen for the Nobel Prize in economics for improvements to action theory and inventions of new action formats. Here this Nobel Prize in economics is called as is formally known as the Severix Riksbank Prize in Economic Sciences in memory of Alfred Nobel 2020. Here these two persons, Paul R. Milgram and Robert B. Wilson. These are the two persons got the Nobel Prize in economics. Paul R. Milgram and Robert B. Wilson. Next one, Operation Green. What is about? It is regarding Operation Green is being implemented as a part of Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan under the aegis of Union Ministry of Food Processing. Here if you see that under this scheme 50% subsidy is given to the farmers for transporting the surplus produce of agricultural commodities like oranges and vegetables to the markets by rail. Here this Operation Green is regarding the giving subsidy to the farmers who are transporting the surplus produce of agricultural commodities, perishable goods like oranges and vegetables. Perishable goods means the definition is it can the lifespan or a lifetime is for that thing that vegetables or any fruits, that is only some limited time only. That means we cannot store that much longer time. That's why we will call it as a perishable goods. Here another type, that is non-perishable goods also is there, but we Operation Green is regarding only perishable goods only like vegetables and fruits only. Here 50% subsidy is also given for cold chain storage of agriculture commodities. We have seen that 50% for the farmers and remaining 50% subsidy also given for the cold storages also. Here in order to get the subsidy, farmers have to attach self-certified documents only. Here we have to underline no need of any authentication, no need of any government signs. Here only self-certified documents is sufficient. In that too we have to apply in Sampada portal of the Ministry of Food Processing. Then they can get the 50% subsidy for their surplus produce of agriculture commodities. That is about Operation Green. Next one, World Economic Outlook. First of all, we have to see that who will publish this report. That is World Economic Outlook is published by IMF, that is International Monetary Fund. That is clear. Here due to COVID-19, every country's economy is in a downgraded condition or in a worst condition or maybe a several years lowest condition also. Here every quarter or IMF will release a outlook or it's like a report regarding the how economy is going on throughout the world. That is global output is projected to shrink 4.4% in 2020. Here said by IMF, that is International Monetary Fund, said in its World Economic Outlook October 2020 reported title, A Long and Difficult Ascent. Due to COVID-19, everything is shut down. No works are going on. That's why due to that substantially our economic condition also in a downgraded condition only. That's why to improve or to recover from that situation, there is a long term or long tenure is required. That's why that IMF this World Economic Outlook October report 2020 report has given that name as title as A Long and Difficult Ascent. Here India's economy is expected to contract 10.3%. Here we have seen that several years are longest years downgrade, that is 23.9%, minus negative growth, that is 23.9%. But to the, that is October 2020 outlook, it may reduce from some points, that is now it can be projected up to 10.3% in the current fiscal year, as the country and the world reel from the COVID-19 pandemic, according to the International Monetary Fund. Here several countries are given here. In 2020, if you see that India is in a negative growth, that is 10.3. If you see in 2021, there may be a projection of 8.8. Here Brazil also 5% negative growth. Here there may be a chance of 2.8. Russia 4.1% negative growth. There may be a chance of 2.8. China is in a good condition, that is in positive growth. The country where one has the only positive growth, that is China only. Here they may expect 8.2 also. Here South Africa negative 8% is showing, but there may be a chances of improving, that is to the 2021, that is 3%. Here if you consider the throughout the world, that is minus 4%, but by 2021 there may be a chances of there may be a recovery of 5%. That's why world economic outlook is important for our competitive exams. Next one, exercise Suraksha Kavach. Here it is a joint anti-terrorist exercise for both Indian Army and Maharashtra Police at Lulanagar in Pune. Here if you see the aim of this exercise Suraksha Kavach, that is the aim of exercise was to harmonize the drills and procedures of both army and police for activating the anti-terrorist quick reaction teams, that is QRTs, anti-terrorist quick reaction teams, to counter any terrorist attacks in Pune. Here the exercise will involve participation of quick reaction teams, dog squads and bomb disposal teams of army, as well as the terrorism squad and quick reaction team of Maharashtra police also. Here this exercise Suraksha Kavach is important for our competitive exams. With this we can conclude our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Gear up for group 1 exam. This is Sunny Sandeep signing out. Take care and bye bye.